Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are creating this look using the products from IPSY GLAM BAG PLUS, and this is Black History Month, and so the palette that we used, since there was no palette included this month, is the Chocolates by JUVIA'S Place. This is a Black-owned brand, and I am going to introduce you to a new company. They're going to be part of our giveaway this month, just so that you know, but they bring us these gorgeous lippies right here, okay? And it was hard to decide which one to use, so I used them both, okay? So, you know that we start off by talking about the products that you do not see. Well, this product right here is called Butter, and this is by Duran Renaud, and this is the cleanser, and it is a 3.4 fluid ounce size, and it says cleanses, removes unwanted impurities while enriching essential oils and maintaining skin's natural pH. Guess what, y'all? Now, like I said, this did come in the IPSY GLAM BAG Plus, and this is a Black-owned brand, okay? So this is the first item that you will not get to see. Now, the next one, we'll just go ahead and use it right now, okay? And that is the Calisi Whipped Moisturizing Cream for Normal to Dry Skin. Y'all know, nowadays we are washing our hands so much. We need to have moisture on the ready, okay? And so we'll go ahead and we'll use that one right now. How about that? Okay, so everything else we used, and you will see it coming up. Okay, so if you'd like to see how this look was created, keep on watching. I will post a picture up here with me without my glasses on so that you can get a full look at the eye. So let's just talk about these products. Now, of course, this month was all about Dream, okay? Now, the first thing I want to talk about is this right here. And this is the $1 Billion Brows. Now, I did not use everything in here on camera. I love the weight of the tweezers and the slant. They are very, very nice, as well as the scissor. But we actually used the eyebrow brush and spoolie, okay? Now, this I really did appreciate, love the spoolie. You know, a lot of spoolies aren't necessarily this long. Okay, now this is the one that I usually use. Look at the difference. Okay, so this one I definitely enjoyed using. It held, the grip was very nice, and I used the brush on the end, as you saw, to give that fine detail to the brows, okay, as we shaped them up. Love, love, love this tool. Absolutely loved using this tool. This one is definitely a keeper, okay? So that I'm here for. The next items that we used were one that was featured in our giveaway last month, which is the Larouche Beauty brush set. Now, this was a full face brush set, 5 pieces, okay? Now, y'all know I wasn't coming on here with dirty brushes, so I have actually already washed them. They're still very, very wet, so I did not use the machine to do them. Now, also, I want to remind you, when we did our unboxing, the bristles were they had that static electricity going on. I will link the video up here so you can go back in and look at it. Now, I did do a little something to get that under control. As you will see in the video, you did not see any flyaways with the brushes. Now, if you would like to know some tips and tricks on how to care for your brushes, because you know how I feel about my brushes, let me know down below and I will show you. I will give you the best affordable cleansing items for your brushes, as well as some tips and tricks to help them maintain their shape and to dry them well. So back to the video. So we did use this brush. I actually used it for this highlight right here, okay? Love this one. I used this one, which I did bring it up again to do, you know, balance off on the highlight. But I also used it to do the contouring here, okay? This brush here is the one that I used to bronze with, okay? And that bronzer came out of this Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, and it was this here, as you saw in the video, okay? So don't think you only use your eyeshadow palettes for just eyeshadow. They are good for so much more, okay? So I did use it for that, and I used these 2 brushes, of course, to do my eyeshadow look. Now, I needed a little bit more. I guess if I really had no other choice, if these were the only brushes that I had, I would have been able to get it done. It just would have taken just a little bit more effort. So those, you know, this is my favorite brand of brushes. Love, love, love this brush. This is the first time I was able to try this particular one, okay? The other ones that I've used have always been the black one. months. But these were amazing. The grip, fantastic. Okay, so, and the last item in our January IPSY Glam Bag Plus was by Thrive Causemetics. Actually, it's called Thrive Causmetics, okay? And I loved using this. This is actually called the Brilliant Eye Brightener, and this is the highlighting stick, okay? And it says it has ring light technology, and the shade that I had was Aurora. Now, this was fantastic. Can you see this? All right, now I did this because just in case you missed it, not only did I use it for my brow bone highlight here and on the inner corner of the look, I also used it as my highlight and used my brush to blend it out. This was amazing. I'm telling you, I absolutely loved this. Now, those were the items that were included in our January IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now, of course, the look is not complete without the lip being done. Now, I just lined it with a brown liner, and I used these items right here. Oh my God. This is a Black-owned company. Oh, and they smell so good. And the name of this company, the COCO Bombs Boutique. Now, it's a new company, but their customer service is amazing. Their products are amazing. Follow her on Instagram. Follow her on Facebook. Her products are amazing. And I can't wait to show you them and give some away to our lucky, well, to our fortunate winner for the month of February, okay? The packaging. Can we give a moment to the packaging, okay? So that's how this look was bought together, okay? Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And I hope that I was able to share something with you to give you some ideas for the items that came in your IPSY Glam Bag Plus, as well as adding a couple additions onto it, you know, to help represent Black History Month. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.